In Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Seminole County and east central Oklahoma, central Pottawatomie County and central Oklahoma until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Brooksville, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seminole, Tecumseh, Maud, Bowlens, Phyllis, Brooksville, Macomb, Lima, and Harjo. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.